Mm, Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to teach you how to make a flower, an accessory that you can use maybe on your top, on a dress, or maybe your hair. This is a top, an off-shoulder top I made for a client, as you can see. Yeah, really nice. Okay, so let's go. So for the flower, we're going to need a piece of fabric. Um, Better to use some bright color. It could be yellow, red, maybe a bright green. I'm using yellow today. This is at 13 inches by 4 inches. We shall need tailor's needle. Shall need a tailor's chalk, pins, tape measure, and this is a pearl. Well, you'll see how it's done. So what we do, we're going to fold this in half, wrong sides facing each other, and then I use pins to hold them together like this. Be careful so you won't pin yourself. So we're going to use a needle. See, I've already threaded it. And we're going to use a running stitch. Put together these raw edges. So you're going to fold, just like you can see. Put a running stitch all the way. It's better to use thread that is the same color, but for the sake of this tutorial, I decided to use this so that you can easily see. It's always best to use the same color of thread. Put this away. So you do put a running stitch till the end. You see? Till the end. So what you do, you get this side and pull them together, just like this. You see, it's starting to come out. It's going to come out so pretty. Be careful not to pull the thread out. Then you can sew along this. Any days use needle or a sewing machine if you have one. Let's use this. Let's use the needle for those who may not have a sewing machine. I like to go to one floor, so the stitch is intact. Again, be careful so as not to pin yourself with a needle. Sometimes it can really be so handy. Then you sew these pieces together to make them neat. So this is it. Very pretty. You can attach this to maybe a dress, or you can clip it to your hair. Maybe using a hairpin or a safety pin to your dress. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and you can ring that bell below so that you can always be notified whenever I upload any new videos. Thank you. Bye.